we're going to turn that plain, kind of boring phone case into something that is totally, completely, 100% you.
You know the feeling, right? You look at your phone case and it's just fine. It looks like pretty much every other case out there. Yeah, we are so over that.
It is time for a serious glow up, and we are going to explore some amazing, super fun ways to make a case that really shows off your awesome personality.
Like, what if you want something super cute and textured? A case that literally looks good enough to eat, but please don't actually try to eat it.
Or hey, maybe you're dreaming of something that looks super sleek and professional, with that shiny, glass-like finish that locks all your favorite things inside.
Or you could just turn your case into your own little mini canvas for a piece of art that nobody else in the world will have. Okay, are you ready? Let's dive in and see how it's done.
We're gonna do this like a video game and level up our crafting skills. So let's start with level 1, the super quick, super cute methods you can literally do right now. So for this level, you've got 2 awesome options. Sticker bombing is amazing because you can just layer on all your favorite things, and if you change your mind later, no big deal. Painting is perfect for when you have that perfect idea in your head and you want it to last. And if you decide to paint, it's so easy. Just make sure you start with a nice clean case so the paint sticks well. Use any acrylic paints you got. And here is a little secret pro tip: a toothpick. It is the absolute best tool for getting those perfect little dots and tiny lines. It's genius. All right, you crushed level 1. Ready to level up? Welcome to level 2, where things get so cute and squishy. We are talking about the famous Kawaii Cream Dream.
The official name for this is Decoden. It comes from Japan, and it's this amazing craft of decorating things with fake whipped cream and these super adorable little charms. They're called cabochons.
Now, I know it looks really intricate, but trust me, it is not as hard as it looks. The absolute easiest way to think about it is that you're basically a pastry chef, and your phone case is your tiny, adorable cake.
To get started, you'll need a clear case, some white silicone glue, that's going to be our frosting, a little bit of color to make it your favorite shade, a piping bag with a star tip, and of course, all the cute charms and glitter you can find. You can also find kits online that have everything you need all in one box.
So, here's how you do it. First, mix a little color into your silicone glue. Then, pop it in the piping bag and make fun swirls on your case. While it's all still wet and sticky, press in all your cute little charms. And now for the hardest part. You have to be patient. You need to let it dry for a few days until it's completely solid.
Okay, craft masters, are you ready for the final boss? This is level 3, where we get that amazing, professional, super glossy look using resin. This one's a big step up, so it definitely needs a little more care. And before we even start, this is so important. Resin is a chemical, so this is definitely an advanced craft. You absolutely have to have an adult helping you, and you need to wear gloves and work somewhere with lots of fresh air. Seriously, safety first.
Okay, here's what you'll need. An epoxy resin kit that's basically just 2 liquids that you mix together and they harden into a super strong clear plastic. And I'm gonna say it one more time, you must have protective gear. Then you'll need some mixing stuff, your decorations like dried flowers or glitter, and a heat gun.
So here's the process. First, you mix your resin and hardener really carefully, following the directions. Then, pour a nice, thin layer onto the case. Next is the fun part. Use tweezers to arrange your decorations exactly how you want them. After that, pour another layer on top to seal everything in. If you see any little bubbles, a quick blast with a heat gun will make them totally disappear. Then, you just have to let it cure or harden for at least a full day until it is rock solid.
And there you have it. You have officially leveled up your phone case game. You now have all the skills you need to create a masterpiece that is completely and totally you.
So just to recap, we've gone through a whole menu of amazing DIY styles, from the super quick and cute level 1, all the way to the seriously pro level 3. So the only question left is, which style is calling your name? Which one are you dying to try first? Are you going to start with a quick paint job, dive into the squishy Decoden dream, or are you ready to master that glossy, professional resin look? The choice is all yours. Just remember, your phone case isn't just a boring piece of plastic. It is a blank canvas just waiting for you to get creative. So go have fun with it and make something amazing.